of Tula. We're gonna go see the secret fridge. It's pretty hot outside. It's not actually. You know what? It's not as hot as outside today. No, this is for my dad's birthday / 4th of July things. But here we're gonna go into the secret garage thing that we have in here. And everything's normal, huh? This fridge is in here. You got a bunch of popsicles and such. Some of them are opened. And then get all the soda. I'll take some out. That's like the junk heaven. And no, that's not just it. We get some more. I'll show. Hold on. Shut that so the dog doesn't go in. Well, maybe I should make sure it's shut. Let's see if I'm shut. Alright, it's shut. Alright, so let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go inside. It's very nice out here today. Usually isn't. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Alright. And then the other thing we have is not just that. We have here this bag, which is more obvious than the fridge. Thing full of chips and such. And we have like Doritos, ranch, and we got some of this, Cheetos, and we got a box of Cheez-Its with discount because it was cheap. Maybe another chip bag and such. Okay. Yeah. I think Tilla deserves a treat. Tilla. Oh yeah, she's scared of the cat because the cat's kind of tough. Come on. Okay. Daisy. Okay, fine. You can have one more. Don't tell me. Kitty. Don't tell. Wait a second. I'm just gonna. Yeah, one more. Don't tell, okay? I'm gonna show you it. It's back in. Alright. Well, goodbye, guys.